Welcome to my channel. I will review every website for you. So today, let's start with Domainify, the world's first technology to kickstart profitable domain and hosting selling business to register unlimited cheapest domains and hosting for your clients and earning daily affiliate commission on hands-free mode. Now cancel paying huge fees monthly to expensive third-party domain registration and hosting platforms and get paid instantly when anyone purchases domains across the globe. Yes, you heard it right, get paid instantly when anyone purchases domains across the globe. To watch this video, please visit the link in the description.
Stop whatever you're doing.
World's first and only technology to start your domain and hosting platform with no dependency on third parties. Easily add and register millions of domains from every TLD, .com, .net, .org, etc. Bank in big selling top-notch domains and hosting at the price you want to customers across the globe. Cancel your current domain subscription and save huge money yearly. Monetize by adding your own affiliate links, sell your own products or through ads. Make passive income when someone buys a domain through your affiliate links. Cutting-edge, fully functional 3-step process to search and sell premium domains to anyone you need. Get premium, lightning-fast hosting deals for your clients. Never worry about manually buying and selling domain and hosting plans, everything automated. Commercial license included to provide red-hot services to hungry business owners globally. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology. It's now or never. Are you still wondering why you haven't seen the profits you deserve? Because you have been paying bully platforms through your nose until now. All of this platforms. And that's just the start. Third-party domain registration platforms come with tons of other problems like high monthly fees, complications in transferring domain names, domain name infringement issues, domain verification failure, registrant email verification issues, quota limit exceed issues, issues relating to contract configuration. This all problem we are facing using other platform. See how real people are suffering daily. Even after paying tons of money to third-party domain registration platforms. Just check this. All of this is the review of third-party domain registration platforms. Just give a try to this Domainify, it is 100% easy. To know more, please visit this same website, link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching.